Right. Hello, everybody. How's it going? Welcome to this client interview, another one. So I'm here with Victor. Victor is a client of mine who's been working with me for like around a year now. So Victor went from like a certain amount of revenue to like a very solid amount of revenue that he's at right now. So he'll tell all about this and. He did it in around a year using the program, which is yeah, pretty cool. So we're interviewing him to find out what happened here. So, but yeah, Victor, why don't you just take a second to introduce yourself, who you are, what niche you're in, etc.
Yeah, well, I'm Viktor. I've been in e-commerce for, I would say, 3 to 4 years at the moment. At first, I was offering watches online, which I did for about 2 years. And I had some success in it, but eventually it just went downhill slowly over time and I couldn't recover it. So then I was like kind of in a dip in my life as well. So I was looking for a way out basically. And then I came into in contact with you, and you introduced me to furniture. And yeah, I was so happy actually that you basically got me into furniture. And yeah, I think we've been working around 1 year together now. I'm
Hmm.
not mistaken.
Yeah.
And yeah, in that time, man, to be honest, I don't even know how much revenue I've gotten in that time. So
Mhm.
yeah, it's a way better business than I had before, and there's so much potential more for us to go to. So yeah, I think I've done around 300K in revenue, maybe even more.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I'm
Nice.
very happy with that.
Amazing. Yeah, yeah. You briefly told me about that already. What good problem to have that you don't know exactly how much you've done in total revenue. I think it's also because you're selling on quite a couple different platforms, like different marketplaces. So it can kind of get out of hand with all the different orders from all different places. So that's definitely something I can relate to. So, well, great. So, yeah, what we'll do here is so just everyone is aware of the structure. So, we'll have a look at where you were, where you're at right now, and then what the future looks like for you. Yeah, before we go into any of that, what I'd like to know is, yeah, why did you start the business in the first place? Like, why did you start to do e-commerce and yeah, what was your main motivation to start to do like the things you're doing right now, selling products online?
Yeah, I think everyone wants to earn money at some point. So yeah, that's of course yeah a part of it that I can't deny because yeah, I of course want to have some freedom in my life. So I'm not forced to work a job, for example. And yeah, when I saw people making money online, that was one thing yeah that stood out to me, that you could set up a web shop and make that your work basically. And then I started to look for ways how to do it. For example, products that you could sell. And yeah, first try the watches, which did okay, but yeah, then I went into furniture, and I then saw you. So then you basically fully
Mhm.
convinced me to go all in on that. So yeah, that's how it went
Right.
basically.
Got it. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, 100%. We all want to yeah, just to reach our goals, and I think in your case it was definitely to yeah get freedom, like not have to work for somebody else or work from a certain location. You can just fulfill the orders from any place in the world. Basically, you just need your laptop. So
It's
that's
a very big pro to having a furniture business online.
right. Yeah, yeah. I fully agree. Yeah. So yeah, what made you book the call with us in the first place when you saw, I think you saw one of my YouTube videos or something pop up, and what made you on that call decide to join the program?
Yeah, the thing is, for example, if you're scrolling on social media these days, you see a lot of people trying to pitch their service, and they don't seem genuine, in my opinion. They seem very over the top and like, yeah, they promise a lot of things, and you're gonna get this when you start working with us, and who extreme and everything. And that didn't attract me at all. It put me like kind of on edge, as in like, I don't really trust this. But when I saw your ad, I was like, hey, this guy is very calm. Yeah, very representable of like your brand, and yeah, you were dressed well, well spoken, and I could see that, yeah, you know your stuff, right? So then I was like, yeah, let me try it out because it looked good, it felt good. So then I decided to book a call with you.
Hmm. Amazing. Oh, I definitely appreciate that. It's always good to hear. So, yeah, and what happened between you joining and you being at like 300 grand or like maybe even more than 300 grand in total furniture sales? Like, what did you do? What part of the program did you use? I think you used quite some marketplaces to generate those furniture sales. If you could share that, I'm sure that would be very useful for everyone that like to know what steps you took.
Right. So we were first working a bit on the website, but eventually I saw that the marketplaces were going very well, and yeah, we went more into the marketplace direction, and then we just started working on yeah, the marketplaces basically, and I followed all your directions and stuff, everything. Yeah, you were looking at my seller pages and you said like, hey, these products need to be optimized this way, and why don't you do it this way? There's so many things like you explained to me about everything in the furniture niche that, yeah, I didn't even know were a thing at first, you know. So yeah, I really got a lot of clarity in this. So not only did my seller pages and products get optimized a lot, I also learned a lot about the furniture industry, how everything works, how you have to contact certain people, and set up shipping deals and stuff. So yeah, you basically learned me the whole game.
Amazing. Yeah. Yeah. That makes me happy to hear. That's what I'm trying to do. So that's great.
Yeah, if I would compare you to other guys, I wouldn't know where to look for someone that knows more about furniture than you. That says a lot.
Yeah. 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 That's the power of niching down, specializing. So I appreciate that. So and now you're doing like in the first year you did like 300K. So yeah, how does that feel? And did your life change much from it, or not really?
Yeah, to be honest, it's awesome. Yeah, so basically at first I was not sure if I was going to focus more on furniture. I was like starting out, as I said before, and you basically convinced me to do it. And yeah, I'm really happy with the results already. We're just in like around a year now, and yeah, there's so much potential still to come, you know. So yeah,
Right.
only upside from here, I think.
Right. Yeah, 100%, man. So what's next for you? What is like the goal for the next 12 months?
Well, I would hope to maybe double the yeah, the revenue that we're already getting. So
Hmm.
yeah, I think in 12 months from now, at least double it. So instead of having 300K per year in revenue, I would like to double that to 600K.
600 grand.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Okay. Well, that's a solid goal. Amazing. So that's great. Thanks a lot for your time and yeah, all your answers to all my questions here. One question I always ask in these interviews is if you were thinking about buying this program, but you were on the fence, you weren't completely sure if you should do it or not. What would you say to yourself, knowing what you know now and having been through the program?
Ooh, yeah, just take it easy, I would say, because yeah, your guidance on everything has been so helpful. yeah, just do it again. I would say 100%, because if you do it, if I would do it again, then I would just gain so much out of it and learn so much. And you're a really helpful person. You're always there. Just do it again. And how it feels is like, at first, of course, it's scary to make such a decision, because you're not totally familiar with everything. But then when you start working together, you're a very flexible person. I really appreciate that from you, because with many marketing agencies, they just try to get you in a half-year contract, for example, and you're really open to see how my situation was. So I really want to thank you for that.
Okay, amazing. Well, thank you. That's very inspiring story. Really appreciate you sharing it, and you're doing what many people dream of doing, just being able to work from anywhere, make a ton of sales online.
Lovely.
Do you have anything you want to add to this, or was that everything?
I think I shared most of my story working with you. If that's it for you, I'm good as well.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. So this is the part where I just gently plug what we do. So if you do resonate with Viktor's story, or you want to get more customers, or you just want to grow your furniture business, then just click the first link in the description. It is a sales funnel. It's designed to sell you something. You can check it out if you want to. I don't really mind if you click it or not, but it just might change your life, just as it did for Viktor, for example. So Viktor, it's been an absolute pleasure, and thank you so much.
Sure. Thanks, Lars. Have a nice one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.